In this video, I'll show you some simple and effective ways to fix the X login problem if you're unable to sign into your account. First, make sure the X app is updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for X, and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, install the latest version. An outdated app can sometimes cause login and connection problems. Next, clear the X app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Open Apps, find X, select Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that could be causing the login issue without deleting your account. After clearing the cache, go back to the X app settings and tap Force Stop. Wait a few seconds, then open X again and try logging in with your username, email, or phone number and password. If X still doesn't let you log in, restart your phone and make sure your internet connection is working properly. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the network is causing the problem. Finally, open X again and try signing in. In most cases, updating the app, clearing the cache, and force stopping it can fix common login issues. If the problem continues, check whether X is experiencing a temporary service outage.